Hello everyone, our topic for today is challenges in capital expenditure decision. To start off, what is it all about? It is a long-term decision that requires the evaluation of cash inflows and outflow over several years and to determine the acceptability of the project. Therefore, management must decide whether the project is worthwhile. Here are two evaluation techniques of capital expenditure. The first one is net present value, where it is the difference between the initial investment and the present value of subsequent net cash inflows discounted at a given interest rate. The second one is internal rate of return, where it is a discount rate that makes the initial investment equal the present value of subsequent net cash inflows. In many situations, it is difficult to quantify in monetary terms all the important elements of a decision. Those elements are classified as qualitative considerations. The first consideration is corporate culture. Often, a decision fails to yield the desired result due to its incompatibility with the culture, which includes the things people value, the way people work together, the overall morale, and the employees' motivations to excel. Some corporations excel at providing quality at premium price because they employ experienced individuals who take pride in their work. Second is social trends. How the views of society will change over time is a key qualitative consideration in capital expenditure decisions. If consumers likely will prefer more green products over coming years, it wouldn't be wise to build a factory spewing brown smoke from giant chimneys. Similarly, the fabrics that are expected to be trendy 10 years from now must be considered when building a factory to produce garments. Third is product or service quality. A manager should strike a balance between cost and quality in capital resources to maximize the investment's cost efficiency. It can be made to increase a company's capacity to produce goods or deliver services. This being the case, the quality of capital resources can directly affect the quality of goods or services. Purchasing the cheapest vehicles for on-site technicians can lead to service interruptions due to vehicle breakdowns. Purchasing low-quality kitchen equipment in a restaurant, for example, can diminish the consistency of prepared food. Next, we will describe the current technological advancements in capital expenditure decisions. Technological advancement has helped businesses to save time and cost in their production and daily operations. When the time comes to replace equipment, most companies upgrade to the newest technologies available to be as efficient and competitive as possible, but there are trade-offs that drive decision-making. The first one is information technology. This is where it allows more precision and can translate all data devices into valuable information. The development of software enables companies to improve their efficiency and enhance the organization's effectiveness. An example is Finario's capital expenditure software, where it is the first application designed from inception to help companies to reach the ultimate objective, which is to maximize the return on the investment in its future. The second one is computer-integrated manufacturing. Firms need to review proposals for investment to increase its manufacturing capacity. The proposals may vary in the level of technology and the degree of computer integration required for manufacturing process. Operators and robots working together to speed up the assembly process together with higher degree of quality. By using robots and advanced machine, it can reduce human power, which in the long run can minimize the cost of labor. Let's move on to the effects of capital expenditure decision. One of the effects is synergistic effects. It is an effect arising between two or more agents, entities, factors or substances that produces an effect greater than the sum of their individual effects. All the indirect or synergistic effects of a project should be included in the cash flow calculations where it can be negative or positive. In terms of capital expenditure decision, in some cases, a new project takes sales away from a firm's current projects. In other cases, a new effort may actually bring new sales to the existing line. For example, in a food court area, not all the vendors sell what you desire. In this case, a man seemed joyful when he ordered ice cream. However, at the other corner, a woman seemed furious because the hot dog stall does not serve any desserts when she already ordered a full set meal. This matter can be solved by the hot dog seller through working together with the ice cream vendor in serving their customers' needs. This effect will result in a synergistic effect and at the same time provide satisfaction to their customers. Environmental effects, on the other hand, is where it is a documented evaluation of the adverse and beneficial significance of the direct and indirect effects of a firm's current and/or planned activities. It is vital for a firm to make early and timely considerations of environmental activities in its capital expenditure decisions because of the length of time required to evaluate, process, and receive proper construction and operating permits. Furthermore, environmental activity pertains to firms displaying a superior commitment to management systems, voluntary programs, and other environmentally proactive activities. An example can be seen where managers of a construction company is torn upon making a capital expenditure decision. Machine A with an NPV of Rm 8 million revs up a very smooth engine. Machine B, on the other hand, with an NPV of Rm 20 million seems to have a very loud engine. Nearby is a school and it will definitely cause a noise pollution if they decided to acquire Machine B due to its higher NPV. Therefore, they should weigh the environmental effects upon making the capital expenditure decision as to avoid any unwanted disturbances.